else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?